Do you know how to change the name of your YouTube channel? In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the entire steps on how to change the name of your YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get started. So first open YouTube app on your phone. Now click here. Here you can see the name of your YouTube channel, and the name of my YouTube channel is How to Rohan. Okay, so in order to change this name, what we need to do is click on this view channel. Okay, here you can see the edit option. Click on this edit icon and you can see the name of this channel, How to Rohan. Click on this edit icon on the side of the name. Now you can change the name as per your liking. Okay, so I'll change it from How to Rohan to How to Guy. Now click on save and keep that in mind. Once you change the name, you will not be able to change it for next 14 days. Okay, so now you can see our name has been changed to How to Guy. Now we will tap on this back button, and now if we close the app and open again and go to this channel section, then you can see it has changed to How to Guy. So this is how you change the name of your YouTube channel. I hope this video helps you, and if you do find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.